What's the worst mistake you can make while packing? This oversight could ruin your entire trip. We're talking about forgetting your toothbrush, your phone charger, or even worse, your passport. Okay? Maybe not that bad, but seriously, packing the wrong stuff can turn your dream vacation into a total nightmare. Imagine this, you're trekking through the Amazon rainforest, dying for a picture of that rare monkey you just spotted, but your phone's dead, or you're chilling on a tropical beach ready to soak up the sun. But you forgot sunscreen. We've all been there. Packing wrong can lead to missed opportunities, unexpected expenses, and a whole lot of stress. That's why today we're diving deep into the world of travel essentials. We're talking about those must-have items that will not only save you from potential disasters, but also upgrade your entire travel game. Get ready to discover the ultimate travel companion, a multi-purpose gadget that's basically a Swiss Army knife on steroids. Plus, I'm sharing my personal 5-item checklist that guarantees you'll never overpack again. And trust me, you won't believe the life-saving gadget that seasoned travelers swear by, all for just $12. Alright guys, let's talk gadgets. We all know that feeling of wanting to pack every single electronic device we own. It's like we can't leave home without our entire tech arsenal. Oh, I need my laptop, my tablet, my phone, my camera, my portable charger, my noise-canceling headphones. The list goes on and on. It's like we're trying to open a Best Buy in our suitcases. And let's be honest, it never fits as neatly as we hope. But hold on a second, because I'm about to blow your mind with this incredible multi-purpose gadget. It's a game changer for travelers. This, my friends, is not your grandpa's rusty old Swiss Army knife. This is the future of travel tools. This bad boy is a compact powerhouse that combines like 10 different tools in one. Imagine the convenience. It's got a knife, a saw, a screwdriver, a bottle opener, essential for those celebratory vacation drinks, a flashlight, perfect for finding your way back from those late-night beach parties. And get this, it even has a built-in USB charger. That's right, you can ditch those bulky charging bricks and say goodbye to the dreaded low battery symbol. No more searching for outlets in crowded airports. This little guy will keep your phone juiced up and ready to capture all those epic travel moments. Never miss a photo op again. And the best part? It's so small and lightweight, you can practically slip it into your pocket and forget it's even there. No more bulky bags. I'm telling you, this multi-purpose gadget is a game changer. It's the ultimate travel companion. It's like having a whole toolbox at your fingertips without taking up precious luggage space. Think of all the room you'll save. No more digging through a tangled mess of cords and adapters. Everything you need is in one place. No more panicking about dead batteries in the middle of nowhere. Stay connected and stress-free. Imagine you're camping in the wilderness and you need to chop some firewood for your campfire. This tool has got you covered. Boom! Out comes the saw. Easy as that. Or maybe you're at a music festival and your friend needs a bottle opener for their beverage. Boom! Problem solved. You're the hero of the day. This gadget is like your own personal travel sidekick, always there to save the day. It's reliable and versatile. So, ditch the clutter, ditch the stress, and embrace the power of multifunctionality. Simplify your travel experience. Trust me, your suitcase and your sanity will thank you. Happy travels. Alright guys, let's get real for a second. Packing can be a real pain. It's one of those tasks that seems simple but can quickly become overwhelming. You're staring at a mountain of clothes, feeling like you're about to climb Everest, trying to decide what to bring, and every item seems essential. It feels like you're packing for every possible scenario imaginable, from beach days to mountain hikes. What if I get invited to a fancy dinner? What if it rains? What if I need to attend a business meeting? What if I spontaneously decide to climb a mountain or go on an unexpected adventure? But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to reveal my secret weapon for packing like a pro, my legendary 5-item checklist. This checklist is like a cheat code for your suitcase, guaranteed to eliminate overpacking and make sure you're prepared for anything. Item number 1, the versatile scarf. This isn't just any old scarf, people. It's a traveler's best friend. This is a magical piece of fabric that can transform into a blanket, a pillow, a head wrap, a sarong. You name it. It's perfect for any situation. It's like having a fashion chameleon in your bag, ready to adapt to any need. Item number 2, the quick dry towel. Forget those bulky hotel towels that take forever to dry. This towel is a game changer. This bad boy absorbs water faster than you can say beach day. It's perfect for any quick dry needs. Plus, it folds up super small, so it won't take up precious space in your luggage. It's a must-have for any traveler. Item number 3, the all-purpose soap. Who needs to pack separate shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and face wash when you can have it all in one convenient bar? It's a space saver and a lifesaver. This stuff is like the Swiss Army knife of hygiene products. It's versatile and efficient. Item number 4, the first aid kit. Look, accidents happen, especially when you're out exploring the world. Be prepared for anything. A small first aid kit with some bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers can be a lifesaver. Literally, it's essential for any trip. Item number 5, the reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and save money and the planet by bringing your own reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and convenient. Most airports and train stations have water fountains where you can refill for free. It's a no-brainer. And there you have it, my 5-item checklist for packing efficiency. These items will make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. With these essentials in tow, you'll be ready to conquer the world, one perfectly packed suitcase at a time. Ditch the just-in-case jacket, the minimalist traveler's secret weapon. All right, let's talk about a packing mistake that I know a lot of you are guilty of. The dreaded just-in-case jacket. You know what I'm talking about. That bulky winter coat you cram into your suitcase just in case it gets cold, even though you're going to the Bahamas in the middle of July. Let's be real, that jacket is just taking up valuable space that could be used for souvenirs, snacks, or maybe even an extra pair of shoes. Plus, let's be honest, if it does happen to get a little chilly, you can probably buy a cheap sweater at your destination. Instead of lugging around a giant winter coat, opt for a lightweight packable jacket that can easily be layered over your clothes. Think something like a thin down jacket or a stylish windbreaker. These jackets fold up super small so they won't take up much space, and they can provide an extra layer of warmth when you need it. The key to minimalist packing is to be strategic and prioritize versatility. Instead of packing for every possible weather scenario, pack for the most likely scenario, and then bring a few key layering pieces that can be adapted to different temperatures. Trust me, your back and your suitcase handles will thank you for ditching the just-in-case mentality and embracing the minimalist traveler's secret weapon, the packable jacket. $12 life-saving gadget that every traveler needs. You won't believe this. All right, guys, get ready to have your minds blown because I'm about to introduce you to a game-changing travel gadget that costs less than a pizza. Yes, you heard that right. For just $12, you can get your hands on something that could potentially save your life while you're out exploring the world. I'm talking about a little something that seasoned travelers swear by, and once you hear about it, You'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. It's one of those things that once you start using it, you can't imagine going on a trip without it. This, my friends, is a portable door lock. It might not look like much, but trust me, this little guy can be a lifesaver, especially when you're staying in hotels, hostels, or Airbnbs. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to use. Now, you might be thinking, but Gates, don't hotel rooms already have locks? And you're right, they do. Most hotel rooms come with standard locks, and some even have additional security measures like chain locks or deadbolts. But here's the thing, those locks aren't always as secure as you think. Sometimes they can be easily picked or bypassed, leaving you vulnerable to theft or worse. And let's be honest, not every place you stay will have top-notch security. This portable door lock adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that you're the only one with access to your room. It's like having your own personal security guard with you, no matter where you go. It's super easy to use. Just slip it over the door latch, and you're good to go. No tools, no complicated instructions, just instant security in a matter of seconds. I actually heard a story about a traveler who was staying in a budget hotel in a foreign country. She was traveling alone and wanted to make sure she was as safe as possible. One night, she woke up to the sound of someone trying to open her door. Thankfully, she had a portable door lock installed, and it prevented the intruder from getting in. Imagine the relief she must have felt knowing that her quick thinking and this small gadget kept her safe. She called the hotel security, and they were able to apprehend the person, who turned out to have a master key. This just goes to show that you can never be too careful, and having that extra layer of security can make all the difference. This little $12 gadget literally saved her from a potentially dangerous situation. It's a small investment for something that can provide such a significant impact on your safety. And that's why I'm so passionate about sharing it with you guys. Because your safety is priceless. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, this is one tip you don't want to ignore. There are tons of different portable door locks on the market, so you can find one that fits your budget and your travel style. Some are more basic, while others come with additional features. Some of them even have extra features like alarms or sensors that will alert you if someone tries to tamper with your door. These added features can provide even more peace of mind, especially if you're staying in a place where you feel a bit uneasy. So, do yourself a favor and invest in a portable door lock before your next trip. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind and potentially even your safety. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. And there you have it, folks. My top travel essentials that will have you packing like a pro and traveling with confidence. Remember, it's not about bringing your entire house with you. It's about packing smart, packing light, and being prepared for anything. Globetrotters swear by this $12 life-saving gadget. Don't forget to add a portable door lock to your packing list for that extra layer of security and peace of mind. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment packed below if you've survived a packing disaster. And for even more awesome travel tips and tricks, make sure you check out my next video, Ultimate Guide to Airplane Food. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next one.